Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to stop receiving messages from someone on Instagram without blocking them. So the first step is go to the official application of Instagram, and here when you are in the feed, you need to go to the option of messages, and here you need to find the person you want to do this process. So for example, this person, you go to the profile of this person, you pick here in profile, and in profile you need to pick here in the superior right corner in these 3 points, and you need to pick in the option of restrict. So if you pick in restrict, that person still send to you messages, but you can send a message to this person, so you can still see the conversation with this person, but you can send to you the messages and the notifications when this person sent to you a messages. You don't receive this notification because that person is restricted. So the only thing you need to do to find this person in the messages is pick here and search, and you need to search their conversation, and you can see this conversation after you activate the option of restrict. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.